If you're looking for the best mirror dashcam in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 of the best mirror dash cameras that offer 4K recording, front and rear coverage, smart safety features, and excellent night vision. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start with our first pick. Number 1. AZDOME PG17 12-inch full touchscreen mirror dashcam. The AZDOME PG17 is a 12-inch full touchscreen mirror dashcam that records in 4K resolution at the front and full HD at the rear. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, GPS tracking, voice control, and a 64GB memory card included. This dashcam stands out for its sharp video quality and fast Wi-Fi transfer speeds. The mirror display is bright and responsive, and GPS logging adds extra security for daily driving or long trips. Voice control works well for hands-free operation, making it safer while driving. Pros: 4K front recording with clear details, Wi-Fi 6 for faster downloads, built-in GPS and voice control, large 12-inch touchscreen. Cons: rear camera quality could be better in low light. Installation may take some time for beginners. Overall, the AZDOME PG17 is a great all-round mirror dashcam with premium features, ideal for drivers who want speed, clarity, and smart controls. Number 2. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam. The Pelsee P12 Pro features 4K front and 1080p rear recording, a 12-inch touchscreen, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and advanced safety features like ADAS and blind spot detection. It includes a 32GB memory card. This model is perfect for drivers focused on safety assistance. ADAS features help with lane departure and forward collision warnings, while color night vision improves nighttime visibility. Wi-Fi speeds are fast, making video downloads quick and smooth. Pros: ADAS and blind spot detection, color night vision, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, clear 4K front recording. Cons: smaller memory card included. Safety alerts may feel sensitive for some users. The Pelsee P12 Pro is ideal for drivers who want advanced safety features combined with high-quality video recording. Number 3. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. The S12 Pro uses a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor offering 4K front and 1080p rear recording. It supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, ADAS, blind spot detection, voice control, and comes with a 64GB memory card. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor, this dashcam performs exceptionally well in low light conditions. The mirror display is sharp, and safety features work smoothly without lag. Pros: excellent low-light performance, STARVIS 2 image sensor, smooth touchscreen interface, good value for features offered. Cons: slightly higher price than basic models. Menu system may take time to learn. If night recording quality is important to you, the Pelsee S12 Pro is a strong and reliable choice. Number 4. Pelsee P12 Pro Max 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam. This premium model records 4K at the front and 2.5K at the rear, using Sony IMX678 and IMX335 sensors. It includes ADAS, blind spot detection, color night vision, OBD hardwire kit, and a 128GB memory card. The P12 Pro Max delivers top-tier image quality, especially at night. The included hardwire kit supports reliable parking mode, making it great for 24/7 vehicle monitoring. Pros: best video quality on this list, large 128GB memory card included, professional-grade night vision, reliable parking mode support. Cons: installation is more complex. This is the best premium mirror dashcam of 2026, perfect for users who want maximum performance and security. Number 5. 4K Mirror Dashcam Front and Rear Budget Pick. This model offers 4K front and rear recording, a 12-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi, G-sensor, and 24-hour parking mode. A 64GB memory card is included. It's a solid budget option with all the essential features. While it lacks advanced safety systems, it still delivers good video quality and reliable performance for everyday use. Pros: affordable price, large touchscreen mirror, parking mode support, Easy to use. Cons: no ADAS or GPS. App and Wi-Fi performance is basic. This dashcam is perfect for buyers looking for a simple, affordable mirror dashcam without extra smart features. So that's our list of the top 5 best mirror dashcams of 2026. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which dashcam you prefer.